CREDO Reference is a collection of online reference books including specialized encyclopedias and dictionaries. Use CREDO Reference to find credible background information on a variety of topics. Let's try a couple searches to highlight the content and features of CREDO Reference. At the search box, type in developmental psychology in double quotes for a phrase search. At the results page, the default displays all articles available to you. These are not original research articles, but rather definitions, essays, and book chapters from reputable sources. The article name is listed first, while the book it is located in is named immediately underneath. Articles range from short entries, such as this 164-word definition of developmental psychology from the Penguin Dictionary of Psychology, to a 2,800-word article on developmental psychology from the Gale Encyclopedia of Children's Health. Click on this article title to see the full text. This article entry from the Gale Encyclopedia of Children's Health provides us a brief yet useful description of the origins of developmental psychology. Each article entry has a citation in APA, Chicago, Harvard, or MLA available at the bottom of the article or at the quotation mark icon at the top of the web page. Permalinks are included in the citations or available using the chain icon in the upper right. Let's try another search, this time using Boolean operators, to locate information on the history of the mathematics field. Though we could use the search box at the top of the page, let's click the CREDO Reference logo at the upper left to return to the main search page. Type in mathematics and join with another search term, history. We will join these two different concepts with and. When we scanned an article from our previous search, we noticed that the author used the word origins to discuss the history of developmental psychology. Let's go ahead and add origins as a synonym to history. Since these terms are related to each other, we will use the or operator. Let's place parentheses around our terms joined by or to help the database interpret our search correctly. Hit enter or click the magnifying glass icon to search. From here we can find article entries including The Origins of Mathematics from the Hutchinson Unabridged Encyclopedia with Atlas and Weather Guide. To refine your search results more, look at available options above the first result. For example, you may wish to read the medium and long articles and remove shorter definitions. Select medium and long. CREDO Reference is available from our library's database listing. At the library homepage, click on the Databases tab, type in CREDO and click Go, then click on CREDO Reference. To access CREDO from off-campus locations, ensure that you are first connected through the virtual private network. See Use the Library and Connecting Off-Campus. If you have additional questions, ask a librarian for help.